Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and Ledger is at it again. They're giving away free Bitcoin when you make a purchase. If you want to buy their flagship product, the Ledger Stax, you can get an $80 Bitcoin rebate. If you buy the touchscreen Ledger Flex, you'll get a $70 Bitcoin rebate. You can also get the Ledger Nano Gen 5, which is their newest addition to the touchscreen lineup, at $179. You'll get a $40 Bitcoin rebate. The Ledger Nano X, which has been permanently lowered to $99, is now giving you a $20 Bitcoin rebate. You can also get a $10 Bitcoin rebate on the Ledger Nano S Plus. And in addition to all of that, if you sign up for a Ledger Recover subscription, you'll get an additional $10 Bitcoin rebate. They're also giving a $20 Bitcoin rebate on the CryptoTag Zeus, which is a great way to back up your seed phrase in a very durable format. So take advantage of all of these deals. I know I love getting Bitcoin when the market is down. It just feels good. And now, in a down market, you can get Bitcoin at zero. And it's now a great time to acquire some Bitcoin and store it in your own wallet for long-term storage. This deal starts today, March 24th, and goes till April 7th, so take advantage of it while you can. And don't forget to check out my channel for all the latest step-by-step tutorials using Ledger devices, from setting them up from scratch to restoring them, to maintaining them, updating the firmware. I've got you covered. I've been doing this since 2017. I've covered all of the Ledger line, so I'm sure you can find the tutorial that you need to get you up and running. If you have any questions about anything I said, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.